Meet the Tornado 90,000, your battery's bodyguard. Have a higher standard for your power supply. Real-time monitoring of internal and external temperatures for extra safety. 6 adjustable charging modes ensures the right current and voltage output at all times. Capable of adjusting the charging current and voltage. Nine-step smart charging system. Protects against reverse polarity, reverse charges, short circuits, overheating, and overvoltage. Use the Tornado 90,000 to power your devices. Charge a wide variety of 12 and 24-volt batteries. With the Tornado 90,000, you get an ECU programming stable power supply.